Inyonyana yabahlengikazi iDinosa ithi sekuyisikhathi eside lesibhedlela sibhekane nenselele yamanzi.
Currently, we are without water. There's no water in the taps. There was no water coming out of the taps yesterday. There's no water coming out of the taps today.
Lokhu kuholele ekutheni ezinye iziguli zithunyelwe kwezinye izibhedlela. Izihlobo zazo zithi azaziswanga ngalokhu.
Khange sixelelwe andiyazi noyazi. Ngoba ndimke phayana mna ngoLwesithathu. Ndimke phayana kungekho kwanesi kuthiwa inesi okoko beziseholweni. Umntana phayana ucaba uye wawa ngesisu umntana wakhe akashukuma ixesha elininzi. Ngoku andisiyazi ke ba uzawubuya ngantoni kuloo makhiwana kuyo.
iDinosa ithi leziguli ziyiswe ezibhedlela ezingenazo izisebenzi ezanele nokwethwesa umthwalo kwezinye izisebenzi.
Us decanting these patients to the other hospitals, we are actually adding a burden to staff that is already short-staffed. So as a union, we need to look and see how our members are coping under the situation and how the department is going to mitigate the issue.
Ngokusho komnyango, lezi nselele zibangelwe isichotho besihlasele ngesonto eledlule, kodwa iDinosa iyakuchitha lokhu ngoba ithi lezi nselele kade zaqala.